Hi, good morning. Please introduce yourself.
Good morning, sir. I introduce myself. I'm Lourdes Morito, 47 years old. I have 5 kids, 4 girls and 1 boy. My oldest daughter is 28 years old, second, 24 years old, third, 19 years old, fourth, 18 years old, and the youngest is 4 years old.
What is your education?
My education is high school graduate.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have 3 brothers and 3 sisters.
Okay, please tell me about your working experience.
My working experience is I work in Bahrain for 2 years and I work in Dubai for 2 years also.
Okay, in Bahrain, so how many members of the family and what are your job duties?
In Bahrain, I have 6 members of the family and I do cleaning the house, ironing clothes, and washing clothes.
How old is the kid in Bahrain?
The kids in Bahrain is 29, 25.
There is a small kids that you need to take care in Bahrain.
No small kids, sir.
Okay, how about in Dubai?
In Dubai, I have 2 kids, 2 years and 5 years old.
Okay, you do all the household chores?
Yeah, I do also household chores.
Okay, do you know how to take care of newborn baby?
Yes, sir.
So what will you do if the baby is crying?
If the baby is crying, I will check first the diaper. If it is wet, I will change it.
Okay. So do you know how to taking care on how to bath with a baby?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If the baby is or the children is naughty, do you have a long patience for them?
I will encourage them for playing or singing for them.
Okay. Can you sing a song for them?
ABCD.
Okay. Can you sing now?
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z.
Okay. Thank you. So why do you want to come to Hong Kong?
I want to come to Hong Kong to earn money for my family.
Okay. If ever you work in Hong Kong, who will take care of your kids?
My husband will take care of my kids.
Do you have any allergy?
No, sir.
Do you have any tattoo in your body?
I have, sir,
In which part?
in my right arm.
Okay. So if ever your employer, there is an elderly person, can you willing to assist them all their needs?
Yes, sir.
If ever your employer will pay, you will not go to holiday, but will pay you. It's okay for you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you love cooking?
Yes, sir.
What food can you cook?
I know how to cook native food or Filipino food, but I'm willing to learn how to cook Chinese food.
Okay. Lastly, what is your message to your future employer to hire you?
Hi to my future employer. Please hire me as your helper. I am honest, cheerful, and helpful person. I can work under pressure.
Okay. Can you promise to finish your 2 years contract?
And I promise to finish my 2 years contract
Okay.
as long as my employer need me.
Okay. See you in Hong Kong. Thank you.
Thank you.